Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to show you how to take apart a PMag for a Glock 17 and how to clean it. So I have my rag, my needle nose pliers, I have these two Glock tools that I will be using. Warm water, you don't want to use any oils, and the PMag. So the first thing you're going to do is take off the cover. That's pretty simple. You push this in and the cover slides out. And you can see right there, that is a Glock 17. Okay, so now this is a little more difficult part. I get to use these three tools right here. You pick the tools of your own. So first I'm going to push this in, and when I push this in, these two soften up, because right now they're probably not even a hawk can do it. Right now it's real hard. So I grab this tool that's pretty big and I push this in right here. Push it in and I hold it. After this, I got this tool right here. I'll stand it up and I put in this notch and I'll stand it up. Now to finish it off, I have this one. Push down. Okay. Do not, you can take it off there. Do not let go of this one yet. You can see that it's cracked open. Now carefully, never towards your face, take it out. Once it's out enough, take this tool off and you bring this out. Okay, I usually lay down the same way they're going to go back in. Okay, so that is your PMag all assembled. So now look inside there. Not too bad in there. So I'm gonna grab this and spray some warm water on it. Okay, grab my rag. You don't want to use any oils, stuff like that that's gonna damage it. Okay. That wasn't that bad. Okay. So now, spray a little bit in there. Just to pretty clean. You can use a regular brush, but okay, it's pretty good. All right, so it's all clean, good to go. Grab this, slide it in. Just make sure it goes in good, because if you go the other way, it does not fit. So you put it in. You can see it right there. Grab this, lock it in. This will be down. You gotta put it back the same way you took it apart. Okay, once you get it in, lock it in, put your cover, and you're good to go. Final test, grab the thing, and you can see that it moves. So it's good to go. Awesome. That's how you take it apart and clean a PMag.